His lack of self-awareness is clinical. But as we all know, the world has been watching. Nobody likes a Nazi. So his stock is tanked, his reputation is tanked, his brand is tanked. We've been hearing rumors about Tesla wanting to get a new CEO for a minute. So here was a report that came out last night.
Journal just this hour. It's a headline that reads, Tesla board opens search for a CEO to succeed Elon Musk. When you read the story, sources are telling the Journal that Tesla's board members started reaching out to several executive search firms, initiating a formal process to replace Musk. My source joining me tonight is the Wall Street Journal's Emily Glazer, who just broke this reporting. And Emily, thanks for joining us on such breaking news. Can you just tell us what happened here and what the board of Tesla was thinking?
Absolutely. So Tesla has been going through some pain lately. It just reported earnings last week and had profits decline about 70%. And our reporting shows that around a month ago, board members were reaching out to executive recruiting firms to start a formal CEO succession search process. This is a formal kind of next chapter. Obviously, companies do succession planning all the time for their next leader, but we know that this is happening as there was concern from investors about Musk spending too much time in DC, given his government role, and concern about the company really struggling lately.
Okay, here's the thing. The reason Tesla is struggling is because Elon Musk is an abject disaster. He is a nut. He has shown the world he's a nut. The Democrats were the people that bought EVs. Now, Democrats won't touch them because of the absolute fascist authoritarian behavior of Elon Musk, not to mention the Sig Heils on Inauguration Day. So this man has no one to blame for his loss in earnings, his loss of income, his loss of his net worth. It is because of his actions. But he is such a crying, whiny baby. This is his response to the reporting from the Wall Street Journal. Tesla says, oh, there's an erroneous media report, which is bullshit because we've been hearing about this for months. This is absolutely true. And then Elon Musk says at 12:38 a.m., so he's up at midnight, is an extremely bad breach of ethics. Motherfucker, you wouldn't know an ethic if it came up and bit you square on the ass that the Wall Street Journal would publish a deliberately false article and fail to include an unequivocal denial beforehand by the Tesla board of directors. Is his lack of self-awareness so high that he does not understand that all of these problems around him are because of him? Is he just completely oblivious to that fact? Does he just have yes men like Trump does that sit around and kiss his ass and tell him he's right? I mean, I know he hires 19-year-olds in very prestigious positions. Are they just so naive they kiss his ass? Because this man is single-handedly responsible for his own demise and is acting like it's unethical for people to report about it. These free speech absolutists, cut me some slack. Okay, and then another tweet that he made. Okay, so then his next tweet is, the Wall Street Journal is a discredit to journalism. Motherfucker, you're a discredit to the human race. You're a discredit to the federal workers. You're a discredit to conflict of interest. This is a man talking about credit and ethics who came in and stopped investigations into himself, who is the biggest government parasite, who has awarded himself multi-billion-dollar contracts while he is in this role, and he was going to judge if he had a conflict of interest, while simultaneously keeping food and medicine to the poorest people on planet Earth as he sponges off the government. You can't talk about ethics. You can't do it because you have none. You have no credibility. Your Sig Heils showed us exactly who you are, and it's not the woke mind virus because globally your brand personally and brands you're associated are tanking because of your actions. Make no mistake, that is the problem. Elon Musk is his own biggest problem. And then we have This video from Elon Musk at the cabinet meeting yesterday, and I mean, it was cringe beyond cringe. So if you're wondering why people think he's a nut, look here.
I love the double head button.
Yeah.
He's the only one that can do that. Get away with it.
Well, Mr. President, they say I wear a lot of hats. Even my hat has a hat.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rayon's React. Please leave a like, comment, share, and please tell me your feedback on these videos that I'm making. Thanks for watching.